Meaning of decompress.
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 Decompress. The term decompress refers to the process of reducing the size or complexity of a file, data, or information. It involves restoring the original or intended state of something that has been previously compressed or condensed, such as audio or video files, images, or documents. The result of decompression is the expansion of the file to its original or near original size and quality, allowing it to be more easily accessed, edited, or viewed by humans or machines. This process is often used in data storage, transmission, and communication.